Good morning. Good morning, YouTubers. Okay, this is the Remington Rand that I'm working on, and I kind of washed this right here to see if the lettering would come off, and it changed its color from gold to kind of a lightish silvery gold. However, because this is so bad, I definitely am going to wash this whole thing. And as long as the lettering doesn't come off, I'll be okay with it, even with its color like that. That might even be the original color, I don't know. I'm going to spray this down with Greenworks and let it set for a minute or two. I'm going to take it outside. I'm going to hose it down because there is about a quarter inch of stuff under here, and I need the pressure of the water to get it out. Then I'm going to fill this with hot water and scrub it out a little bit, and then I'm going to work the keys under the water, empty the water, and fill it up again with soapy waters, work the keys again, and then dry it up and put it out into the sun. So it begins. Hit it with the hose again outside. That's the power. I think we are going to be okay. Sure do. Okay, this thing spent all day in the sun drying, and it is very loosened up. I think it's pretty good. What I liked about the washing was how much stuff it got rid of. Like, it's pretty darn clean inside here. So you can actually see what's going on now with the back. And I was actually able to identify the problem with the W key is it is missing one of these clips, or the A key, Q key. So let's see if I can find the one. I think it's on this end. See, it's this key right here is actually missing its little clip, and I could make that so that seems like that's going to work out. What I didn't like, there's a little bit of dirt here and there, and what I'll do is clean that up with Q-tips and alcohol. So the other thing is the keys fogged out, and considering what it went through, that's okay. What I do have is Novus 2 and Novus 1, so that even though they're fogged out, they can be redeemed pretty easy. And lastly, the lettering. I managed to keep the lettering, and I thought it was gold, but then I looked at the backing, paper back, and this is silver, so I'm pretty sure that was just a layer of grime on there and not gold lettering. And if it was gold lettering, oh well, silver now. Alright, well, thanks for watching the great washdown of the Remington Noiseless. Good night.